Cyberscience Tab Manager lets me quickly find and switch to any tab, even with hundreds of tabs open across multiple windows. Where are my pizza recipes? Where are my recipes that aren't for pizza? I just add a tilde to negate the search. Where are my recipes for either pizza or salad? A single vertical bar means or. My tabs are sorted by most recently visited. I can change that to see them by window or see the oldest first. Let's close these old ones. Let's pull the best of these pizza recipes into their own window. I can get back to the Tab Manager by pressing Alt-M. If I'm not interested in these recipes right now, I can free up browser resources by suspending these tabs. I can find all my suspended tabs by searching for two vertical bar symbols. Suspended tabs will automatically resume when I visit them. OK, now let's look for my tabs about running. I don't want any of these, so I can close them all without needing to explicitly select them. I remember I had a recipe for banana pancakes open, but I must have closed it. No problem, my last 1000 closed tabs are searchable in here. I can find tabs that are making noise by searching for the loudspeaker symbol, and I can mute them from here. We also make it easy to save away all your tabs, like my pizza recipes, without making lots of bookmarks. My previous searches are saved, so I can rediscover the pizza tabs quickly, and now I can copy those tabs to the clipboard and save them somewhere else for later. After that, I could import them next time I want to make a pizza. Sometimes I open the same page multiple times. I can see any duplicates in here, and easily close all but one of each duplicated page. I can fine-tune what I mean by duplicate here. Thanks for watching. We're sure you'll find the Cyberscience Tab Manager both a huge time saver and a pleasure to use.